Before moving on to this topic in detail, let's start with basic introduction about Python. So Python was invented by Guru van Rossum, and this language, as I was telling, is an interpreted language. Now in compiled languages, source code, that is the code in which you are writing your program, is converted to machine code directly. But in case of interpreted languages, it is first converted to a bytecode, and then this bytecode is interpreted by the interpreter and converted to machine code. This actually makes such languages platform independent. We'll speak about this platform independency in our coming lectures. So I hope you understood why we call Python an interpreted language. These are some of the features actually of Python language. So it is called an interpreted language because yes, it uses a compiler as well as an interpreter. And because it is an interpreted language, it also makes it platform independent. Okay. Another feature of Python is that it is dynamically typed. Now that is what it means is before runtime there is no need to specify the type of variable. If you have done C, C++ or many other programming languages where you have to declare the type of your variable in the very beginning before using it, you will know that in those cases, if you do not define or declare a variable before using it, you'll see an error. But in case of Python, we don't have to define or declare that variable because it is dynamically typed. So the type of that particular variable is specified only when that variable is used at runtime. So it makes programming in Python very simple. Okay, so another feature is indentation. It means that there is no need of braces and it makes you to write code in a proper manner. So for example, you must start your first statement from the very first column, and whenever you are using a block, its block statements have to have a special place to start from. It gives your program more readable shape. When we'll make our first program, you'll see how indentation is important. Okay, and so these things, it is dynamically typed, and the feature of indentation, it actually makes Python very easy to learn. So it's very easy to learn. And to start with Python, as it is open source, another feature of Python, you can go to www.python.org, and depending on your system, whether it is 32 or 64 bits, you can download the official compiler for it and start. If you use Unix or Linux distribution, it would include a Python by default. I will cover this topic in my next video along with basic structure of Python program and the very first program in Python. So stay tuned and subscribe for the updates. Thank you.